Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you just watch me live, this one your street chance from Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggi. If you just turn, not touch the die. If you touch them, if you touch them, I joke, I don't do anything. Still on the matter. Pkeke that. Oh shit, feel it. Still on the matter. If you're there for somewhere like Ore now, now my question be this: like this, like they present the question. If you're there like somewhere like Ore, and your motor spoiled there, and you there stranded. No money for your pocket. What you go do? What you go do?
I know you.
If you dey somewhere like Ore now, you dey travel.
Yes.
You can't reach Ore. No money in your pocket, and the bus where you enter spoil. What you go do?
I go sleep for
Not
there
to
now.
sleep for there now because our country is not good. If our country is good, as that kind of accident happen to you, you are at least you will have a help that it will help you to your country.
No, no worry. Now they speak English. Speak Pidgin. Now Wazobia TV be this.
When you come to our country,
speak Pidgin.
if you meet that kind of condition, like you now, I feel meet you for there or you go turn me to thief.
Yes.
You go start be criminal.
Not true.
And God knows I not be criminal.
I know say you no be
na
criminal.
accident meet me.
Yeah.
But when I come to you, brother, see the kind of accident I meet here.
So you don't get money for
me
pocket too?
Yes, you will reason me as criminal.
And I go help you.
That is our country.
Na
It
so.
happen.
Na
If
so.
it don't happen to me when I dey travel to my state.
All right. Yeah, still on the matter, straight chance from Wazobia TV, making not touch the deck. Pkeke there. I tell you, I sit there with one of these guys there. Every say the meetings they happen for Yaba. The meetings they swollen for Yaba. Those are men when they run things.
Bonfire!
Bonfire, man.
Bonfire.
I more than know.
Yeah, man, me
Yeah,
original
man.
boy, me chant Patra, big time Patra, you know that?
Yeah, man.
What do you
feel
want me
that-
say? What do you want me say?
I mean, you gotta say that you listen to me in a little time, you know what I'm saying? This is what I say, man. Listen, man. Yeah. If you reach, you dey travel now, and you dey go somewhere like your motor can stop for somewhere like Ibadan, and you dey stay for Lagos. You dey stranded. You not get pocket, you not get money anything for pocket. What you go do?
Like me, I'm a traveler. I often travel. Every 1 month, I travel regularly. You understand? If I happen to stop at Ore or whatever
money not in your
place
pocket,
and there is no money with me, what I will do, I will worry the driver if the driver will put me in other vehicle for me to reach to my destination.
Yes.
But if the driver didn't do that, what I'll definitely do, I will try to beg. Unlike other vehicles, if they are going, they stop for other vehicles to know what actually happened to the buses. So I will render that help too. You understand? So that is just it.
Okay. Still on the matter, everybody with your own opinion. I don't experience that kind of situation before, sha, but I go share them before I close the show. Still on the matter, if you're watching, it's one of the street chants for Wazobia TV. Wazobia TV, channel 195, start time. Pkeke.
Some noise.
I more than,
Yeah, man.
make some chanting, you know what I'm saying?
Boy, you look at we are original root boys in this hood. This my brethren in the hood and me like him.
Yeah, man.
So make some noise! Bonfire!
Respect. Pkeke. Item.
Actually, if that kind of thing happen to me, say yes, I dey travel.
You not gonna get any money for
I not gonna
pocket.
get any money for pocket. My vehicle got to get problem. I go seek for helper. But our country, even person to help yourself, you go dey fear because of the way situation of things dey. But actually, sha, na God we go dey pray for. I pray for the right person. Make God make the right person. Make God help us. Because me, I need help. I be artist star, nobody to help. This is me say
So
for
you
life.
be star.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
feel
me-
sing.
Why?
Yeah, just busting, might give beat. No worry. No, I might give beat. No worry, I go hold the mic, might give beat. Busting,
yeah.
I'll give beat.
Yeah, give me beats.
Oh, yeah.
Flow.
Yeah, this your boy, yeah, me see many things. Also for the streets. Many niggas dey for the street that they also not it in our mouths. But now only God will help. Yeah, I'm coming up with a bad type of my own. But I know one day you're gonna see me watch me on the CD. I know you like it, yeah, me say, yeah. Many things happen for Naija. No situation for the boys. Boys hustle every day for money. Thief now, spoil pikin. As I dey here, so me I be good boy. Back in the days, they know me say I dey well at.
Baba, no one here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me see. You see that guy? They drop rhyme. They drop rhyme. The boss where they go spoil for road. You need to find your way. What you go do?
So good.
That one, they for God hand, and I gotta go solve that problem.
No, we're not saying our God. Anything we do for the line, our God. So at least we must find way or the other.
What I don't think I go do. I help. I beg and I beg for people that are around. People that are around, I beg them to reach my house. Yes.
All right.
No, thank you.
All right, still on the matter. The Watch Us Live from Wazobia TV. Start time, channel 195. Start time. Check it out, yo. Yeah. Madam, good afternoon. Madam, good afternoon. Madam, good afternoon. Bro, now where done? How far? I like the way you do your mouth, so you push it off your mouth. I want to learn Yaba. Ah, my yeah. Pkeke there, still on the matter. I see what happened, my brother. I just small question I want to ask you. If they watch me live for Start Time Wazobia TV, if they watch me a day with one of the men when we said they rule this area, Yaba himself. I tell you, oh shit, feel it. Brother, as today now, if they travel, you can't get stranded. No money for your pocket. And your motor stop, what you go do?
I'll just look for the place to borrow money. If I don't borrow money,
Speak your pidgin, no worry now. Wazobia TV now.
don't give me anything. Okay, I can just move to any mosque or any church to talk to reverend there or imam there to beg for money. Okay. So to find solution to my problem.
You go move to church
or mosque.
Mosque?
Yeah.
Man. This guy don't kill me today. The guy talk since I interview people now. This guy don't give me points. Because we believe saying that they're the only real point, Abi.
Yes, now when they feel help you in any situation you take, if you talk to them, they will help you. They are man of God.
But why you not meet people when they're along the road?
You know, fingers are not equal. People in the road, they got their own problem that they face.
Okay.
So I don't want to beat the ability to them.
Okay.
So that's why I'm supposed to move to that place to find solution to my problem.
Nice. Still on the matter, what is your name?
My name is Edau.
Eda.
Stubborn.
Eda who stubborn?
Yeah, one blow.
I better not blow me. All right, still on the matter, Street Chance, Wazobia TV. Good afternoon.
Yeah,
How you doing?
fine.
This one is Wazobia TV.
I go no go can vote as an angan.
Now Wazobia TV be this.
Wazobia.
Wazobia TV.
Me I know.
So if you dey travel now, I want to ask you one question. If you dey travel, money not in your pocket, and your motor stop, or the motor where you enter stop. If everybody have to find their way, what you go do?
I don't know what I go do.
You go beg people. What you go do?
No, nothing. I don't do anything.
What you go just sit down?
I'll just then they look.
They look.
Yeah.
Till you go just round there, the more money in your pocket, you not go help meet anybody for help.
No, I no go. I no need.
No, you talk now.
You go find help now.
Well, if now you go find help.
I go find help.
Not they push this thing.
I go find help.
Find help.
Yes.
Like how you want to do it?
If I see like anybody will pass, I'll just ask me, help me, I beg. My transport.
What of the person slap you?
That person won't take slap me. The person be man, I be man.
All right. Now, what made me like all these brothers from the northern area, they get confident, die. Then they shake. They say, wait. Yes, go just tell them, help me now. Abi, you get confident. If they not help you, go.
I go still, no be only him now.
Not only him, Abi.
Yeah.
You go meet like 20 people.
I go meet like
Anyone 20, I go meet another one.
I go meet
Anyone
another one.
20, I go meet another
I go
one.
meet
You
another.
continue to the meet.
We meet. Yes.
We want peace in Lagos and Nigeria.
You need peace in Lagos and Nigeria.
Of course.
If you dey waka now, you dey stranded. Money not in your pocket.
I will look for help now.
You look for help.
Yeah.
And you go need guys. You look for help anywhere.
Anywhere and anyhow.
You must make sure so you come on there.
Yeah.
Father Lord.
My Lord.
Salam alaikum. All right, still at the matter straight yes. Good afternoon. Why you say? Why you say? Why you say? No, just small. Just small.
You know, waiting there be say, no matter the country and the condition where we dey for country, so you wey be say you dey go out, you go apply yourself very well. Because you know say Nigeria now too strong. So you go make sure say if you dey go, you must hold something for body. No be say you go come and come the whole time you go come the beg person money.
Okay, if you get that kind of condition, what you go do?
I don't pray make I dey that kind of condition because
You know the travel.
I dey travel, but
Why you know the travel?
I dey travel to anywhere. But before you go, you plan yourself very well. Because you know the country now, nobody ready to dash you money. Because some people now they fear say Boko Haram dey. You know no person will go give money wey say go bomb for inside your body. So me I don't even pray make I dey beg money from anybody. Okay. So make we dey solid with that because of the country.
Oh yeah, the only thing you go do for me say I beg go let there be peace in this country.
I beg let there be peace in this country. Oh.
We support peace in this country.
We support peace in this country.
Right.
That's what we need. We don't want problem.
All right, Kosi Wazobia TV.
Eh?
Kosi Wazobia TV.
The guy no fit speak that one.
All right. So say let there be peace in this country. Just talk.
Let there be peace in this country.
You not talk well.
Let there be peace in this country.
You not talk well.
Let there be peace in this country.
Yeah, Pkeke there still on the matter. My brother, if you waka now, yours is stranded. They travel, come they stranded, money not there. What you go do?
I no go travel now. I no go travel because if money there, I no go borrow money from any other place. I no go thief. I pray make money come, make God provide money. Anybody when they travel go prepare well. Because you cannot travel without money.
All right, still on the matter. If you watch me live for Wazobia TV, now like this, I take wrap up the show for today. I tell you, my name is MC Shaggi from Wazobia TV. Street Yans, don't touch that. Channel 195, start time.